Hello guys, today we are going to play the phone talk over which we will teach you how to talk in any department by the call and take the information over there. So my name is Gaurav and my partner name is Rashika. We will teach you how to talk on phone and how to get the all information over the phone. So let's start. Hello,
Hello.
ma'am, I am calling in the international hotel.
Yes, sir. How can I help you?
Ma'am, I'm from America and I'm a tourist in Delhi. My name is David. So I want to take the information about your hotel, like which kind of facilities over there, and I want to know that, is your hotel is 5 star?
Yes, sir. You are totally right. As you are calling in the right manner. As if I talk about in our hotel, so this is the international hotel. Here you will see the all facility which the customer want. How I'm saying this because as in the hotel you will find a different kind of hotel like hotel, motel, and there are many you can find it. But here you will get the all facility which you can find in any hotel. And how I'm saying this now, I will tell you. So before that telling, could I know your name, sir?
Ma'am, my name is David, as I have always mentioned.
Okay, sir. So may I know that means when you came here in Delhi?
Ma'am, I came yesterday in Delhi, and yesterday I have taken a hotel in Delhi itself, but I don't found the facilities too much good there. So that is why I want to change my hotel. And also I want to inform you that I'm not alone. I'm having 3 more friends with me. So I want to ask you about more rooms, not only for a single room.
Okay, sir. So, sir, now I will tell you the all facilities and where I don't know where you go in that hotel. Where you go, I don't know where you go, but in our hotel you will get the all facilities. Okay. So the first is that in the one BHK where you will get the 2 rooms and one separate washroom and one separate balcony. And in the balcony you will see the greenery of the outside where you will find the tree and the birds voice means our hotel is located in that area where you will see the scenery and where you will see the greenery and the mountains and the means the environment is too good. And apart from it, sir, apart from it, like would you like to take the rooms or not? Means the 1 BHK.
Yes, ma'am, surely I want to take the room. But one information I want to get, as I'm a great fan of Indian food, so I want to know that is Indian food is available in your hotel?
Okay, sir, definitely I will tell you. First, you will select your room, like which kind of room you would like to order. Means you would like to take. The first one, as I told you, the 1 BHK, and in the 2 BHK, where you will get one hall and 2 rooms and 2 attached washroom and one big balcony where you will see the environment. As I already told you, so the same similar thing you will find in both rooms, but in the 2 BHK where you will find 2 rooms and 1 hall also. And apart from it, you will get the free Wi-Fi. There is no need to think about the net, net, because you will get here the free Wi-Fi. And apart from it, like if I tell you about the food facilities, so in the dinner we will provide you the free food. But in the morning and in the evening you should charge on it. But about the food, so the all Indian foods you will get here, means the south food, east, west, all the Indian food you will get here, like dosa, idli, sambar. There are many foods you will get here. And which kind of food you would like to take? Especially I will make it.
Okay, ma'am, as you have asked me about the rooms, so I want to take 1 BHK because I am comfortable in that, and I have to only reside for 2 days, so I am comfortable in 1 BHK. And also, as I have mentioned that there are 3 friends of mine with me, so definitely I will take 4 rooms separately in 1 BHK. And about the facilities you are saying, ma'am, I'm frankly speaking that I have also called in one hotel before calling you, and they are also giving me the same facilities which you are giving, but I want to compare the price. So I want to know that what is the price of your hotel in 1 BHK.
Okay, sir. So could you tell me about your budget? What is your budget?
Okay, ma'am. So it is not the problem of budget. Firstly, you will tell me, so that definitely I will compare, because as I've mentioned, I have already called somewhere. So I want to compare that.
Okay, sir. So as you told that you will live here 2 days, so as it is the international hotel, so it charges 27,000 in per day. If you will live here, so it will too much. So it up to you that which kind of room you would like to take. But instead of that, you will get a lot of benefits here. The pool facility you will get here. If you if you wanna enjoy the pool facility, you can also. And as I already told you that the food facility which we give you in dinner in the means the free facility and the Wi-Fi facilities also. And apart from it, like here is one bar also. If you wanna take that bar facility, you can.
Okay, ma'am, you are saying me 27,000, but I have heard from my Indian friends that bargaining is always there in India. So I want to know that is there any discount for me as I am taking four like rooms and I'm taking it like for 2 days. So I want to take some discount if there is any. If there is any package for foreigners, because as you know that I'm coming from America, so I want to like reside here for 2 days, so I want to take the discount because you are telling the price which is too high.
Okay, sir, sorry for that, but as you are a new, so for you definitely I will give you the 10%, not that much. But if you wanna live here, so definitely I will give you 10%. But apart from it, I do not have rights to give you that much discount.
Okay, ma'am, I can understand, but definitely if you are saying me that you will give me the 10% discount, so it is a good amount of discount which I will get. So I want to like enroll the room for 2 days. So I want to know about the facilities of the pool which you have mentioned. So I have also like reside in a hotel yesterday. So I found the pool facility there, but the pool was not too much clean and the water was not so clean. So I want to know that which kind of facilities you provide in your pool.
No, sir. I means how can I tell you about it? Because the water you will find there only the water you will find there the clean water and the environment. First, sir, you should visit here and you will see the all environment. Then you will you will invest your money. I'm not telling you. I'm not insisting you to come here and to take your room. First, you will come. You will visit here. Then you will give me your amount. So, sir, that if you wanna come here, so please could you tell me about your ID card? There is any which you have?
Yes, ma'am. I have ID card of America as I'm a resident of there. So I can give you that ID card. But first of all, I want to know that like you provide any tourist guide facility in your hotel, because I want to visit the whole Delhi and I know that there are many monuments and many heritage sites in Delhi. So I want to visit all of them. So do you provide these kind of facilities also?
Why not, sir? But the amount should be more. Means the amount will be increased. How? Because we provide the car facilities also. If you wanna visit in anywhere in Delhi, so we will provide you the car facility, and with that room, attach that room means the car price will be attached with that.
Okay, ma'am. So can you calculate me the like whole price with the tourist?
Okay, sir. So maybe it will around 40,000.
Okay, so as I can see that the price is under my budget, so I want to enroll like 4 rooms for next 2 days with the tourist and Indian food, of course. So I will visit tonight, but first of all, I want to know that like in the Google, your address, like there are 2 sites of your which is showing on the Google. So I'm confused like which is the correct address of yours.
Okay, please, sir, you do not think about it. First, you will give me your number as you called me, so I will save on it. Then I will directly I will send you the location, all the information I will send you, and I will also show you the YouTube channel where you will see the all facilities of my hotel. And when you will totally clear that you wanna take that hotel means the room here, then you will call me again. You will also come, you will visit here. The free means we will provide you the free facility to visit our hotel because it is the international hotel, so there is no charge to visiting here. You can come and you can see the all facilities which I already told you.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes.
So that was the game, guys. We have played and teach you that how to talk in the hotel. So that was all about. And if in future, if you want to like call in any hotel, so you can do it like that. You can ask about different kind of facilities over there. And the foremost thing is price. You must ask the price there. So that was the video. And if you enjoyed, so please like and subscribe the channel. Thank you very much.